What's going on? So today we got a video from Crime Time Cam, and the title of the video is Police Teach Entitled 21-Year-Old She Doesn't Make the Rules. So let's get into it, man. Let's see what they're talking about here.
On October 31st, 2024, officers responded to a residence for a call of a domestic dispute.
What led to everything happening?
I knocked on the door and asked her to turn the water off from the toilet because it keeps running.
Asked her. You know what that means. It's the mom and the daughter fighting, going at it. I say it all the time. Typically, the moms are closer with sons. Daughters are closer with fathers. Sons typically beef with their dad. And daughters typically be beefing with their mom. It gets a little better when the child moves out, because they ain't under the same roof. But when they get to them like mid-teens, high teens, low 20s, the daughter and the moms be, they be going at it. Let's get to the video, man.
And she just got hostile.
What was everything that she did?
My little kids are now, they're 4 years old, so she just kind of pushed me. She grabbed my phone and threw it, just kind of bear hugged me, so I couldn't. She's pretty strong, so that I couldn't move.
All right. And where is she at now?
She's upstairs.
Okay. Has she calmed down or?
No, she's up there just talking to somebody. I don't know.
Okay. Janaya?
Hey, how are you?
Hello.
You can come in if you need to see things around. Okay, so basically.
Okay, hold on. You can stay in your room.
Okay.
We can just talk.
So she called my name while I was getting my clothes out the dryer, right?
Okay.
So I haven't really been talking to anybody because she has been talking junk about me. So I'm not really speaking to her, right? But still being respectful, I kind of just like, to see what she wanted. She's telling me that she needed me to turn off the toilet because something about the water problem. I kind of already know about that, but my toilet doesn't do it. So I'm looking like, okay. So, I go in there try to turn off the toilet. She talking about some, well, I already did it now, so there's no need to do it. Had got a whole attitude. So I'm looking like, you know what? I've been quiet for years. She has been calling, like, places on me. They come and get me, sticking me with needles and all this type of stuff. They don't ask me no questions. They just come and get me and try to take me. And so, for a while now, she's been documenting stuff on her own terms. There was a whole paper with my name on it, saying that this and the third. I didn't even know what they was talking about. And so, as you can see, I've been in here writing and studying. Haven't been doing nothing to nobody. She keeps coming to my doors. I called the police maybe 2 or 3 nights ago because she keeps coming to my door insisting that there's something wrong with me. Talk about something. But I got a video, actually, I can show you.
Okay, hold on. We're just talking about tonight.
Okay.
What happened tonight?
Okay, so this is basically what summed up for tonight, though. That's why I wanted to show you. But so basically, that night she come in my room talking to me like I'm some random on the street. So I don't know what may be going on with her. But so then when she came right here, right, she was finna call somebody. So I'm like, okay, who was she finna call? I reached for her phone and she put the scissors in my face. And then when she put the scissors in my face, that's when I got up close on her. So I'm like, who you finna stab? What you finna do? Because at this point, you're provoking me to do something else to you. And so then that's when she tries to like put her hands on me when I'm reaching for her phone, and she punched me, like trying to fight me. She ended up hitting my little brother. Talk about, I'm so sorry. Then she came back at me on some trying to fight me. She hasn't been doing nothing lately because I have talked to Grady about everything, so they're kind of aware of that situation. And so I just called y'all because, ain't no telling.
Yeah, but it seems like she reacted to what you did, though. Like, if she put scissors in your face or grabbed you or whatever, it's because you tried to snatch her phone. So you tried to take her property and she reacted. That's what it seemed like to me. We got to go to the origin of the situation. And everything was whatever, yip, yap, yip, 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 yap, until you went to try to take something from her, and then it got physical.
what else she may do at this point. She does have a weapon in here. I don't know what she on. She has been taking Percocet. She has been drinking. I don't know what's wrong with her, but I'm really sick of her.
Okay, so hold on. Let's go back a second.
Okay.
Because you said, at what point you said you tried to grab her phone? What led to that?
When she was trying to call the people on me to come get me. So I tried to reach for the phone, and that's when she had that's when she pulled her arm up, trying to hit at me, trying to fight me.
Okay, so what do you mean by trying to fight you? What was she doing?
Like, I don't want to attack you, but like, say this is me, right? She was just like, give me my phone back, like, tell me something. Like basically punching at me, grabbing on me, gripping on me.
Okay, so did you actually grab her phone, or?
No. Okay. I reached for the phone, and that's when she tried to grab at me, tried to grab on hold to me.
Okay. Okay. So what happens after all of this?
I had came back in my room trying to finish folding up my clothes. I just took out the dryer.
Okay. Listen, I understand you and your mom have some issues. I'm not.
I don't even have an issue. She just keeps insisting.
Well, you have issues with your mom, and that's what I'm talking about. Okay. So, but that's not my prerogative for why I'm here. Because I'm here about what happened tonight.
Okay.
So, hearing from both sides, it sounded like she took out her phone, and for some reason you decided to try and take her phone from her, even though it's her phone, and there's no reason for you to try and take her phone. Correct?
Trying to see who she finna call because
but it's her phone.
Okay.
She can call whoever she wants to, right? That's just like you can call whoever you want to.
Okay, so if she tries to talk to me and I say, oh, I'm just not in the mood to talk right now, isn't that my prerogative as well to say I just don't want to talk right now?
Yeah, that's
so
fine.
how does that mean I have a problem?
But listen, that means you have a room, you have a door. I'm sure there's a lock. So, like I said, I've heard what you said. I've heard what your mom said. Y'all have given basically two completely different stories about what happened tonight. The only thing that I said that's congruent is that there was some kind of altercation regarding your mom's phone. Your mom is saying that you grabbed her phone. You're saying you didn't grab her phone. But you are saying that you did attempt to grab her phone. And that's what led to her putting her hands on you to stop you from grabbing her phone. So, based off from what I'm hearing, as far as what's happening.
Yeah, she's here come the mom. Look. You see the corner? Here come the mom. I guarantee. Oh, it's about to go down. Look in the corner. Why? Stay away. Stay downstairs. Let him do what he gotta do. Why you gotta be up there being nosy? Oh man. But the kid does have an attitude problem. You could tell. Definitely you could tell the kid has an attitude problem. But I think, without being in the house, obviously I'm not in the house or whatever, but just knowing family dynamics, I think they both do little things to annoy each other. You know what I'm saying? But that's honestly what I think. But
Tonight, you're going to go to jail, okay?
Why am I going to jail?
For simple assault. I told you that's a crime.
Hold on, wait. No, wait.
Yes. Stop.
Okay, hold on. In the name of Jesus.
Stop.
Wait, no, stop.
Put your hands behind your back.
Jesus ain't got nothing to do
Oh
with
my
this.
gosh, bro.
You better act right.
No, like you really need to tell the truth before I really psych out. Nobody has to go through this. You are such a liar. That's why nobody likes you. That's why nobody fool with you. I was in here minding my own business. You keep messing with me. You are so annoying. Now somebody gotta go to jail. Ain't got no bond. Like nobody wanna go to.
See, and stuff like that, I do believe. I believe, the mom knows that the daughter got an attitude problem. She not really messing with the mom like that. But here come mom, needing something, nagging, whatever, and it starts a whole thing. You know what I'm saying? I get it. Mom is mom. Mom gonna do whatever, she gonna ask favors and stuff like that. But honestly, it's you gotta wait and like if people just minding their business, like, come on, man.
Jail. This is annoying, and I really hope everybody with what they sow with this. This is stupid.
You gotta stop moving your hands. You gotta stop moving your hands.
Stupid.
Janiyah, you gotta
I
stop
really
moving your
hope you
hands.
reap what you sow. I really hope in the name of Jesus, in the name of God, I really wish you reap this.
Janiyah, you gotta stop moving your hands.
This is why I don't fool with her. She is lying. How is somebody wrong, but yet you trying to talk to him? Tell the truth. You just sat here and lied talking about somebody smoke weed. I don't even smoke weed. What are you even talking about?
Stop moving your
This is
hands.
injustice, and I'm gonna sue. I'm gonna sue this whole county. I'm going to sue. I am suing, and I'm gonna sue you for all this paperwork and whatever they're talking about.
You got some shoes?
Put your shoes on.
No, I'm not. I'm finna get heated. Why are you? How is the system even listening to somebody who's lying?
I've already told you why. So do you have
Okay,
some
but
shoes?
she had scissors to my neck. So what does that mean?
I'm asking you, do you have some shoes?
No, I don't.
Okay, so then let's go.
Oh my God!
Let's
can I
go.
get my phone? I need to call somebody,
you can't get your
bro.
phone. You can't
God,
have your phone with you.
please help me.
Stop.
Please help.
Yeah, but the mom being there makes it worse. Like, she need to just go, like, she should have stayed downstairs or whatever. Why come upstairs? And it's, gosh, she gonna freak. And they probably gonna argue.
Janaya. You need to stand up.
Don't touch me! I hate you! 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 I hate you!
Let's walk.
She right there in the face. Like,
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. What did I just say? Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Stop doing the most. I've already explained to you why. So let's go.
probably getting resistant and what? Domestic violence? DV?
Stop.
Or battery, assault, something like that.
Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car. Get in the car, Janaya. Get in the car, Janaya.
She keeps calling me, I don't even know why.
Get in the car, Janaya.
Please, God, I don't need that car. Please, I gotta fight for my life.
Get in the car.
No.
Get in the car. Get in the car.
The woman was charged with domestic battery and resisting arrest. Thanks for watching today.
Yeah, man. Yeah, it's tough. It's tough. I mean, I honestly don't know why the cop didn't tell the mom to stay downstairs or go somewhere else, because if this was a couple that got into a fight or whatever the case may be, they would be separated. So that way they can't continue to go at it. You know what I mean? I understand the child being upset, but the mom, she's just egging it on. You know what I'm saying? Like, not on purpose, but like she know what's going on, man. Hopefully they could get their relationship together, but it wouldn't surprise me one day that child snaps. You know what I mean? And it is what it is. I don't know what got their relationship like this, but something traumatic has happened, man, for them to fall out like that. But anyways, I get an officer a 3. I think he should have separated the two. You know, I don't think mom should have just been right there in the corner listening and coming to the door when he's trying to arrest her and all in the face going like, I don't, you know, you lose points for that, like, you know, but whatever. 3 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section how well you think the officer did, and I'll catch you in the next video.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.